Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Instinct E, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the iPhone and the Garmin Connect application to send the notifications to your watch. And to do that, we need to open the settings on our iPhone, so find the icon and tap on it. In settings, find the Bluetooth option, tap on it, then find the Instinct E watch on the list of my devices and tap on the info icon next to it. And here you should see this option, Share System Notifications, and this option needs to be enabled for the notifications to work, so make sure it is enabled. It's possible you're missing this option, and if you do, close the settings, open the Garmin Connect application, go to More, Garmin Devices, and sync the devices together by tapping on this icon. And once it's syncing, you should see some pop-ups about the permissions for the notifications. And once you see the pop-ups, allow all of them. And after that, we can go back to settings, Bluetooth, and you should see this option right here now. Make sure it is enabled. Then go back to the main page of settings, find the apps, and tap on it, of course. Here find the Connect and tap on it, and then make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled. Once it is, we can close the settings, go to our Garmin Connect application, in the app we can tap on More, then Garmin Devices. Here we can tap on Instinct E, then find the option called Notifications and Alerts, select the Smart Notifications, and here we can turn on or off the notifications. Make sure it turn enabled, then tap on General Use, and here we can customize the notification behavior during the general use of the watch. So basically everything else besides recording the activity on your watch. So if you don't have any workout enabled on your watch, this is the general use. And then we can also do it for the workout time, but first let's deal with this. So you can turn on and off the notifications. You can change how the specific types of notifications behave. So if you tap on calls, you can turn them on or off. You can turn on or off the tones and vibration, and you can just do the same for the texts and the apps. Below we have privacy, and here we can select press GPS and wrist gesture. What this option does is basically it obscures the content of the notification, and you can select to press the GPS button, this one, to reveal it, or perform the wrist gesture to reveal it. Select one of the options if you like them, and then we have timeout option, basically how long the notification stays on the screen after you receive it, and you have 30 seconds, 1 minute, and 3 minutes. I'm gonna select 1 minute, then go back, tap on during activity, so when you're tracking activity on your watch, when you have the workout enabled, you can turn it on or off. You can change the behavior for the types of notifications. Of course, I'm enabling everything, but you can customize it to your liking. You can change everything you like to everything, to anything you like, my bad. Okay, and then the timeout option. And once you're done setting your notifications, or setting up your notifications, go to the main page of settings and sync the devices together to apply the changes. And now, let me check if I'm logged into a Discord. I am, so I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, and we should see the notification pop up on the watch. And as you can see, it is working. We got the notification on our iPhone and also on our watch. So that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.